Anthony, Diego here, and I'm just making a short video to show you how to handle carb cycling diets and how to handle meal plans that have different requirements per day. So perhaps you've seen the meal plan generator. So it's true that if you use the meal plan generator, every day has to be the same. So that wouldn't really work in your case. One thing you could do, you could generate a plan with approximately the calories you want, and then you can edit each specific day, or you can create plans from scratch. And in either case, when you have a plan like this, we have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack, and all these meals can be customized. So, for example, you can add an extra meal, like after workout, and add items, and this can be an extra meal that is only available for certain days. So if particular days require more food than others, you can handle that scenario. And then this is the more important view, the macronutrients breakdown per day. So when you open this view in your meal plan, this gives you at a glance the calories, protein, fat, carbs, and fiber per day. And they can be different amounts. They can be completely customized. So for example, for Tuesday here, I can see that for breakfast, there's a total of 500 calories, lunch has 900 calories, dinner 400, and snack 150, and there's also columns for protein, fats, and carbs. And you can change this. So for example, if Tuesday has to be fewer calories than normal, I can put a smaller portion in here, or I can completely remove a food and add a different one. And then currently this way I've made it 1,578 calories. And then let's say maybe Thursday has to have more calories than usual for any reason. So you can add extra things such as 2 bananas and maybe a 1.5 portion of this particular food, or you can replace the recipe for a recipe that is higher calories or that meets the requirements. So with this view, you can adjust the macros exactly to what you want for each day. And yeah, they can be all completely different. And when we go back to this view, this kind of gives you an overall view of the meal plan, but it doesn't tell you the nutrients here. And then you have the breakdowns. You also have a summary here that tells you you can have a look here to see if you're meeting the requirements you want for every day, for every meal. So macronutrient breakdown per day, breakdown per meal, etc. So and regarding total daily expenditure, we have some formulas here, so maybe this is useful. Tells you there are different calculations depending on the formula used, and you can use this as reference for the level of calories per day. So hope this helps. Let me know if this helps.